I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings on your Vivo device and using the search field to speed things up. Type keyboard, input, or autocorrect so you jump straight to the right menu. Once done, tap the language and input or keyboard entry that appears. This avoids digging through unrelated menus. Make sure you choose the system-level option, not an app-specific setting. From here, you'll see the virtual keyboard list. That's where the autocorrect controls live, and you're ready for the next steps. Now tap the active keyboard name, for example Gboard or Vivo input, because each keyboard has its own autocorrect control. Once inside, navigate to text correction, smart typing, or typing settings. Labels vary by firmware, so scan for predictive or correction options. You'll find a toggle labeled autocorrection, auto replace, or predictive text. Flip that off. While here, disable related features like auto capitalization or suggest contact names if you want fewer automatic changes. Finish by typing in notes or messages to confirm autocorrect is off. You should see raw text without automatic replacements. If corrections persist, check for multiple keyboards. A third-party app might still be active, so disable or uninstall it. Make sure you turned off the correct toggles rather than only suggestions. If problems continue, restart the phone and clear the keyboard app cache from app settings. This refreshes preferences. One key tip: reinstall or update the keyboard app if its settings seem stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.